Well, kind of too late for me to record, but he's not recording.
Are you putting me on YouTube?
I wanted to. Microwaving eggs.
It's not the first time. Other people have already done.
I really don't care. This is new to me. This is new to me. Okay, that's it. Let's see the results.
Scrambled eggs are actually easiest.
Let's see the results. Oh my gosh.
You know what I'm saying? Probably not done. There's 2 of them there.
Yeah. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, they're not done. Ooh, they look done.
Yeah.
They're not done yet? Don't break the yolk.
The yolk's done though.
The yolk's done, but not the white.
That doesn't come out very good in the microwave.
Okay, 45 seconds for one egg, but
15 seconds. Every 15 seconds until it's done.
Every 15 seconds till it's done. Okay.
See?
It's still a little yolkish. Ew, it's not done. Ew, probably another 30 seconds. Ew, yeah.
That's done.
Yeah, your yolk is about to get cooked.
I know, sad.
Nope. Still not done. Ew. It's gross.
Fine. I'll figure it out one day.
Gonna flip them. Oh my gosh, you're gonna ruin them. You know, I wonder if you could take the yolk out and save the yolk without overcooking your yolk, and then just cook the white. Ew, they look gross. It looks like snot.
It's baby chicken snot.
Okay. I would have cooked your eggs for you, you know. Let's see. You have to be a bachelor, don't you?
Yes.
I wouldn't mind doing it.
Because I'm going to have a girlfriend soon, maybe.
Okay, well, she could do it for you.
Okay, this part's not done. But this is definitely done. Man.
And you just broke your yolk.
It doesn't matter. Done.
Just eat them. Okay, you know what? I gotta go. Whatever.
The bathroom's in there.
No. Birthday party, hello. Okay.
Dad's TV watching is bothering me.
Okay, bye.